Hello everyone, welcome back to Music Movements. In today's video, we are starting another new topic, future perfect tense. Let's begin with date and day, word of the day, specific, particular or exact. Specific meaning particular or exact. Topic, future perfect tense. We can also say it certain future. Certain future. Why certain? Because it finishes things at a particular time. It finishes things at a particular or certain time. See, future perfect tense. It is used to express an action that will be over at a given or fixed time in future. It means completed at a given or fixed time in future. Example given, he will have finished this novel by next month. See, he will have finished this novel by next month. Will have finished. See, when the next month arrives, the novel will be completely read. When the next month arrives, the novel will be completely read. This tense shows the sense of completion. This tense shows the sense of completion. See, formation, subject plus will have or shall have plus V3 plus object. See, important part, perfect tense takes third form of the verb. Perfect tense takes third form of the verb and helping verb will have or shall have. Will have we can use with all the subjects, either singular or plural. Okay, so exercise 1, filling the blanks with future perfect tense. The tropical rainforests disappear in 30 years. Okay, will have, helping verb will be will have, disappear, 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 disappeared and disappeared. Third form will be disappeared. Next, second one, by this time next week she married. So, she will have married. Third one, by next week we redecorate the house. So we will have redecorated. Next, by next February I dash my third book. By next February I will have written. See, third form of write is written. Second form will be wrote. Write, wrote, written. So, I will write here written. Next, fifth one, I dash have an operation when you return back. So, I will have. Third form of have is had and second form will be had and had. First form like have, second form had and third form also had. So, I will have had an operation when you return back. Let's recall, we can use will have with all the subjects, either singular or plural or including I and we also. We can use will have there. Fine. And we use in perfect tenses, it takes third form of the verb. In perfect tenses, it takes third form of the verb. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.